Our SilenTrac system, using Zigbee or Wi-Fi motorization, comes standard with our curtain saver technology. This feature preserves the integrity of your curtains in case of an obstruction during opening or closing. All SilenTrac systems are shipped with curtain saver disabled. To activate curtain saver, you have two options. If you are using the current luxury app, you can easily activate it by selecting your track, then curtain saver can be turned on or off. You can also activate the curtain saver feature with the pendant. Ensure your drapery is in a fully closed position. Tug the pendant to open 50%, then tug the pendant again to stop. Once stopped in the halfway position, tug and hold the pendant approximately 10 seconds until you see the track jog. After the initial jog, tug on the pendant again. The drapery will jog a second time to confirm curtain saver has been activated. Final step, open and close your track 2 full cycles. Your curtain saver feature is now active and working properly.